Hi riders, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the 2023 Honda Hornet returns a new 750 parallel twin. So make sure to watch the full video. Honda has officially unveiled the all-new CB750 Hornet, which is expected to directly challenge the enduringly well-liked Yamaha MT-07. The Angular Naked, which was created at Honda's Research and Development Center in Rome, is aimed at the mass market with a probable, affordable, exciting package that provides thrills for both seasoned and novice riders. Contrary to the detuned hand-me-down sportsbike motors that drove the four-cylinder Hornets of the late 1990s and early 2000s, this contemporary Naked uses a brand new 270-degree parallel twin engine that is rated to produce 90.6 horsepower. A robust steel diamond structure that supports the engine weighs 16.6 kilograms, or 1.9 kilograms less than the one used in the four-cylinder CB650R. This was accomplished by narrowing the main down tube, putting a lot of emphasis on the pivot's design, setting the steering rake at a neutral 25 degrees, and using a wheelbase of 1,420 millimeters. Expect a 190 kilograms curb weight overall, with a class-leading power-to-weight ratio of 0.48 brake horsepower per. According to Honda, a pair of 17-inch rims with a 120-section front and 160-section rear are used to grip the pavement. 41 millimeters show a separate fork function, big piston, upside-down forks, and a rear shock with a 5-stage adjustable preload stabilize this chassis. Dual front 296 millimeters discs with 4-piston radial Nissan calipers are in charge of stopping the vehicle. A quick shifter and auto blipper are among the optional upgrades. For the new Hornet's array of electrical goodies, Honda Hornet on the road 2023 with a ride-by-wire throttle, 3 riding modes, rain, standard, and sport, as well as 3-stage engine braking and traction control are included as standard equipment. You even have Wheelie Control, which might be excessive. Additionally, you may further customize your settings in user mode, and riders can completely deactivate traction control. All of this is selected using the left switchgear and a mobile-compatible 5-inch color TFT dash. Your speed and revs are also displayed on this panel in 4 different ways, with a choice of analog needles or bars. A fuel gauge and an adjustable shift light are further features. You also have auto-canceling indicators that flash under strong braking in addition to full LED lighting. There will be a ton of extras, such as a fly screen, rim tape, alternative foot pegs, and a rear seat cowl. Moreover, there are choices for heated grips and luggage. The 2023 Honda Hornet price, £6,999. What do you think about the new Honda Hornet? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.